Okay, so we're on to episode 5 in our artificial intelligence in the legal sector. Well, actually in this one, slight curveball, maybe left field, we're just looking at the reason why IT is such a major change for legal firms. Well, I suppose the first thing we've got to consider is it's reducing the risk of breach in customer privacy. And of course, with GDPR coming into force, breaches is one of the key things that we want to stop and protect attacks and hacks on all of that precious data. And of course, because of reducing the risk of hacks from other companies, media, all that kind of stuff, discovering case information, we put a barrier around all that sensitive legal information. Of course, there are other data points, for instance, case outcomes, contract performance, business evaluations, which law firms manage every day. This is intellectual property and it all must be protected. In fact, Blount said, and I thought this was quite profound, instead of asking what technology we should be investing in, we should be asking what are the problems we are trying to solve? What are the new services and products we want to create? And once you know the answers to those questions, the investment in tech solutions becomes the logical conclusion. We aren't investing in tech for the sake of saying we have new tech. We're investing in a solution to a defined problem. We talked about smart contracts in the first few videos and how that will impact lawyers' roles today, and actually how they will start to have to work with coders, that's IT coders, in terms of the contracts and producing those. And of course, the practical issues arising from self-executing nature of contracts. As contracts are generally non-voidable, the coders and the lawyers will definitely have to have a closer relationship. So the requirements of a cloud service to maintain all customer records, what is that requirement? How should we protect all that data up in the cloud? It makes it much easier for firms to search, of course, the information themselves. And however, with AI, this can be found with one quick search and produce that information for them. But we still have to protect all that precious data that's sitting on cloud systems. So by firms building their own infrastructure, they can tailor it to their own requirements, such as information retention, protection, and extraction for customer outcomes using that artificial intelligence.